Hello and welcome back to Graff's Woodshop. Today we're going to talk about a really cheap way to get some casters, in case you need some casters. So what I got sitting here in front of me, this is from Harbor Freight. This is one of their movers dollies, and this is the cheapest way I've found to buy some casters, is not buying them just by buying the casters, but buying this whole dolly and then taking them apart. They do have some nuts on here. I'm just using a 10mm head, and we'll take these off real quick. Alright, so we got that all taken apart now. I ended up with my 4 casters. These came apart pretty easy for me, but if you have issues, the back side of them does have a Phillips head on it, so you might need to pull that fabric back off of these boards and use a screwdriver. But it came off just fine for me. I went ahead and took these all the way apart just to kind of see what we had here, but ended up with these 4 boards, a handful of nuts and bolts, and then 4 casters for $8, so not too bad. Got a little project going on for these, so that's really what I was after. The rest of this is just, I don't know, bonus or trash or what I'm going to do yet, but we'll find something to do with it. So, short video, but thanks for joining us, and I'll see you next time. Be sure and like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.